So guys, as I made you aware, the Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus comes preset to suit most rollout awnings. So what we're going to do is set this up. We're going to put the two sides together. Let's go. As you can see, the length of that bar is a bit longer than it used to be. And that's just so we can get the projection length to go from the 2100 all the way out to that 2500. Middle piece comes with the little knurled knobs there, so you can tighten up as you get your projection right. So simply slides in. We'll just tighten off here. As you can see, it doesn't go anywhere, nice and tight. Third piece there, same as the other one. We've got to pull out that middle piece on the inside. So that is side one done, and what we'll do is rinse and repeat for the second side. So there you have it folks, I've now assembled both sides of the Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus ready for use for a rollout awning. As I mentioned earlier, we have these knurled knobs on both sides that you can undo to change the projection length of the Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus. So you can extend from that 2100 all the way out to that 2500. Every box comes with a pair of brackets, so they need to be installed on the caravan, and then these attachments slot straight in. On the other end of the Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus, we have two spigot ends. They go into the barrel once you drill the holes through. We'll demonstrate next how to install this on an awning, but that is the basic setup of an Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus suitable for a rollout awning. If you're unsure or unclear, please use the instruction manuals we provide or reach out to us at Aussie Traveller and we'll be more than happy to help. See you out on the road, travellers. Stay safe.